What an intro. Welcome back guys to my channel. My name is Ponito and today again we are doing a Reddit video. You guys seem to enjoy it and मेरे को भी बहुत ही ज़्यादा पसंद है ये सब वीडियो करने के लिए. So today the subreddit that we are looking at is called r/woof. And this Reddit is full of people that don't understand jokes and the people who are very stupidly dumb. What happens when I tell people I'm colorblind? Blue, that's cool. Green, points at the object. What color is this? You forgot to put yellow into the list. How can you be so dumb? वो लिखा है कि that he is colorblind. I guess you don't get the jokes. I did not realize how tired I was. I went to bed at 8 p.m. and woke up at 1 p.m. Oh, a lot of sleep. Jesus. Ah, yes. -7 hours of sleep. Wow. Logic. Oh, yes. This perfect human being just thinks that you cannot sleep more than 12 hours. It is a violation of being a human if you sleep more than 12 hours, according to our great legend. The cameraman be like, oh, it's called drone. I am not sure who will I support here, the man who is making comedy or the person who is putting their logic in it. How to slow down time? Step 1. Doing a plank. This doesn't actually slow down time. It just seems slower because you doing something difficult, so you are more aware of it. Wow. I completely did not know. At कोई इस इंसान को नोबेल प्राइज दे तो he has given us such a great theory. Wow. Jokes aside, have you guys ever tried planks? They are really hard. मतलब तुम प्लैंक करके रहोगे, तुम्हारा ये चेस्ट से पूरा पेट तक दर्द देगा. तुम 1 मिनट तक रहोगे, तुमको लगेगा कि हाँ 1 मिनट तक रहा, मस्त एक्सरसाइज आज का हो गया. पर जब तुम ऊपर देखोगे तो बस 10 सेकेंड हुआ रहेगा. Painful. Our Twitter password is the last 7 digits of pi. I am already sensing that something bad is going to happen. No hacker so far. Pi is a non-terminating irrational number. There are no last digits. As I predicted. इतना गधा तुम्हारा अकाउंट का नाम साइंस है and you don't even know that pi कभी एंड ही उसका एंडिंग वैल्यू ही नहीं है. Goodbye world. Flintstones. That won't kill you. ये तो शायद तक वो है. This is calcium tablets. I did not know calcium tablets could kill us. I have a friend who lives just outside Chernobyl in Ukraine. I bet there is going to be some joke about the Chernobyl disaster. He watched that drama and said he counted 9 historical inaccuracies on one hand. It's a movie and not a documentary. ये तो वैसा ही है जो MS धोनी में जैसा था कि बोल रहे थे कौन सा एक तो प्लेटफॉर्म नंबर नहीं है. इफ यू लुक क्लोजली नॉट द पीपल आर ऑल्सो नॉट द सेम पीपल, सो यू कैन नॉट लीव इट. मैं कुछ बोलना नहीं चाहता हूँ. Just bought 50 cartons of 2% milk and mixed it together to get 100% milk. My bones are now indestructible. Oh God. इसीलिए साइंस क्लासेस मिस नहीं करना चाहिए. What the hell? Michael Caine. Chris Nolan has done it again. Tenet is the best action film ever. Michael, how do you get to see the wonderful film before a general public? Lol, he's in it. No, this can't be true. इतना ज़्यादा डम कैसे हो सकते हो भाई? मतलब हदें ही पार करते डमनेस की. Parachutes were invented in 1783. People before 1783. You will still die from the impact of what? If you have not played Minecraft, you will not know. This is, I guess, this is called the MLG water or something like that. जब तुम नीचे गिरते हो water देने से you will survive. But apparently this person does not play Minecraft. It's okay. All right. Understandable. Have a good day. When you hit your toe on a coral reef. Are you serious? Sharks don't even have toes. Oh, why do you have to find logic in everything? I accept that मैं भी बहुत ज़्यादा लॉजिक ढूंढता हूँ, मतलब बट इतना ज़्यादा तो नहीं. दिस इज जस्ट रेफरेंस कि तुम कैसे चिल्लाते हो. I don't even want to explain it anymore because I have seen many dumb people by now. No. Done. It took him a few minutes before he understood. The manager at our local IKEA is retiring, so I sent him this cake. Where's the cake? Why are you so stupid? मेरा दिमाग खराब हो जा रहा है मतलब. These are the ingredients of the cake. Man, please get a brain. My girlfriend sent me a birthday gift and asked not to open until the midnight. It is visible. ये drum set है. I am so much curious. I hope it's a dog. Bro, it's a drum set. Stop making sense in everything. Understand the sarcasm. Sarcasm समझ. Please. Fire alarm goes off. Teacher, emergency. Kid named NC. Whomst has awakened the ancient one. Emergency. There's no kid named NC Lamao. Wow, I am so smart. Yes, I am the dankest. I make more sense. I am the smartest person in the world. Oh, yes. Just fed a stray dog in Russia. That's no dog. This is a normal day in Russia. जहाँ पे तुमको पोलर बेयर्स ऐसा बाहर घूमते मिलेंगे. बट आई गेस दिस पर्सन इज फ्रॉम रशिया एंड ही इज टेकिंग दीज थिंग्स वेरी सीरियसली. दैट इज नॉट अ डॉग. So dumb. 40-year-old Karens when they say Konnichiwa in an Italian restaurant. Spanish. Konnichiwa is Russian though. It's Japanese. You're not making sense. Konnichiwa is Japanese. You say it in Italian restaurant. The Karen goes Spanish. This is all a joke. That is not Russian. You don't have to get into the deep meaning of this and why I am having this conversation with myself. Is your milkshake really worth it? Whoa, that is a cow. Whoa. No. I don't think that is the cow spinning. The second photo is a foot turning lathe. WTF. He just posted it without knowing anything. Just two random photos. अरे वाह कितना मस्त मीम बनेगा. पोस्ट कर देते हैं. What is this now? When you put your meme in English and Braille so even blind people can enjoy it. I guess that is not the correct way. Braille has to be put on physical material, otherwise it is useless. Yes, that is true. वो कैसे कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन पे ऐसा हाथ लगा देगा कि फोन में ऐसा हाथ घुसा के देखेगा क्या? What is this? Why you don't have to make things like that? The imposter. Me hiding in a vent. If you are hiding in a vent, you are a imposter. Oh damn. This is correct now. This is making sense. Meme format is wrong. The meme should be cancelled. With that, I think I should be ending this video. I really hope that you guys would have enjoyed this a lot. Like, comment down your suggestions, whatever suggestion you want to give to me. If I find it interesting, मैं वो video करूँगा. Share it with more number of people so that my video does very good and my channel becomes popular. Subscribe and press the bell icon so that you don't miss another update from my channel. I don't know why I am doing this, but I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.